welcome to a new video where today we're going to be making a fruit crumble. This one's going to be an apple crumble, but you can add anything you want to, like blackberries or plums or anything like that you want to. It's just a really nice dish to have after a meal, a nice little for the winter time. Let's get into the recipe. So first you want 75 grams of room temperature butter. You want to cube this so it's nice and easy to rub in. You then want 75 to 110 grams of sugar. It depends on your taste, so if you're not really into something too sweet, you'll go for something near like 80 to 70 grams. But if you really like sweet things, then you can have like 100 grams and it's really nice. And now finally 225 grams of plain flour, and then you just get 8 or 9 small apples or 3 big Bramley apples. Let's get into the recipe. Make sure to preheat your oven to 190 degrees. So first we're going to pop our flour in a bowl. Then we're going to get our butter and we're going to pop it in. And then now what we're going to do, make sure you wash your hands before doing this. We just stick your fingers in and rub the flour into the butter, or vice versa. So I'll just speed this up. Okay, so now we've got all of this rubbed in, and we're just going to pop in our sugar, sorry. And then we're just going to take a spoon, mix this, so it all becomes a nice, even mix. Apples! Okay, so first what we're going to do is we're just going to peel the apple. So I'm using a peeler because they're a lot simpler. You can use a knife, but a peeler is probably better to use. So I'm just going to speed this up. Okay, so now that our apple is completely peeled, we're just going to cut it down the middle, and then we're going to cut it again down that side, and then we're just going to cut the core out, and then we're going to pop it over to the side. We've got this one apple done, but we need to get the others done. Once you've done all your apples, you're going to want to pop these all in here. You pop a teaspoon of water in, and then you can just put it on the hob on a sort of low, medium heat just for a couple of minutes just to soften the apples. You don't have to do this, but it really makes the apples a lot nicer to have in the crumble. But you can just put them straight into the dish if you want to. Okay, so now we're going to bring our apples over. We're going to put a teaspoon in, and just going to go on a medium heat. This just makes it a bit more nice. And then we can just leave that going while we wait for the other things.
A few inches later.
We've got our apples, they're all nicely stewed. So we're going to fill up a nice dish about halfway. And now we've got our crumble topping, and we're just going to spread this over now. And then you can kind of do the spin and dab. There is a famous YouTuber who made brownies in a video, and I watched this technique, and it's called the spin and dab. So you basically go round.
And this is a trick I like to call the spin and dab. And then you gradually, very slowly, work your way inwards to create quite a flat, and also at the same time, quite a satisfying to look at little pattern. And then you finish it off by just going.
That is nice and evenly distributed. Now, yeah, eventually you can get it nice and flat, which is nice. Okay, so that should do. And we've got all that sorted. That's our crumble ready to go into the oven.
Hello, I am Michael Bublé, and this is my apple crumble.
So now guys, we're gonna just pop this in the oven, and we're just gonna pop it in there. I'm going to put it in for like 25-30 minutes. I'm going to do 25 and check on it later and see if it needs another 5 minutes. Now it's just a waiting game. Okay, so now it's obviously finished, so I'm just going to pop this out and it looks quite good. It's actually leaked over because I've had quite a lot of apples in there, but that's okay because it's totally fine. It's an apple crumble. So yeah, there it is. I'll just pop it down. Okay, so we got it here now and we're just gonna taste it and we're gonna put it alongside with some custard. So, I've got it with some custard, and it's quite nice to have it with custard, or you can put it with ice cream. Well, it's actually quite nice. I hope you enjoyed this video. If you did, please give it a like, share it with friends, and if you like the content on my channel, please subscribe. It's just nice to have more subscribers, basically. Why am I lying? But anyway, thanks for watching this video. I hope you enjoyed, and I'll see you next time. Goodbye.